we'll move on into product designs, okay, which is the third one now. All right, so this is for people who sell products, maybe online or even offline, sorry, maybe online or offline, and you need a design for maybe a particular product or a particular business. Okay, so we are going to learn how to do that here. This is a sample that I'm going to be using: top foods rich in iodine. So you want your design to simply promote your product, promote your brand, and then attract customers. Okay, so if you have an offer to make, you do it on the design. Okay, you add your business name and all of that. Okay, so I'll head over to Canva now to try and reproduce something like this. So what you just do, if you are the one selling the product, you should have taken nice pictures of what you are selling already. Okay, you should have taken nice pictures of what you are selling with a very clean camera, an iPhone preferably. Okay, so this is what is going to be happening right now. I'm going to be using my logo. Actually, the logo we just designed, I'm going to be using that. So I'll delete everything here. Let me just start with a fresh canvas. Okay, so first thing I want to do, I'll bring in the logo. Okay, so go to upload media. So there you have it. So I just want to shift this up a bit. So I just, all right. So let's say I have a shoe business, for instance. So I'll just add elements where, and these elements are going to be frames where the shoes I want to showcase will be in. Okay, so I'll scroll down and then pick a rectangular frame. Okay, let me just pick this. All right, so what I want to do now is to start bringing in the products and then adding them to the frame. Okay, so I'll go over to upload media, head into my phone, and bring in the images I'll be using. Okay, so pick one of these. So let's say this is the first shoe. Upload media again, so that I'll just bring all of them in. Let me now go back and start picking. Okay, let me just do that. So all right, let's say these are the shoes I want to showcase. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and start adding them up. So all right, add this inside the frame. Okay, remember this canvas that I'm using is the template for a logo, but I'll still go ahead and use that. But you should always remember to choose an appropriate templates, okay, before you do your editing. So I'll duplicate this so that I'll use the same frame again. So drag this into the frame. All right, now the importance of duplicating when you want to do things like this is so that you will not be having shapes of different sizes. Okay, you want to have shapes of equal size. So I have this. I'll add the next picture. So drag it into the frame, duplicate this, then bring in another picture and add it to the frame. Okay, so what's left now is to align them together. Okay, and just all right. Fantastic. Okay, so let me just give this some space. Also give this some space. Okay, all right, so I'll group everything here together and group. Okay, so I can now move around. All right. Okay, so what I want to do now is to add a text. So maybe you just want to shop at 30% discount. This is July. Okay. All right. So let me just move this here. Okay, I might decide to change the color of the text. Let me see if I can get a very interesting color. All right, let's say I'll use this. Okay, now shop at 30% discount this July. So if you have something like this is nice. So what you want to do is to add contact details. So I'll just add text and then use order now. All right. Now what you want to do here, you might want to add a phone number. Okay, and then you could also add the price list. Okay, price. Okay, let me just give you an example. You want to add the price of this, before and after price. Okay, add the price here. Okay, all right. So I'll just change the color of all this text to black. That will not have a very red. That will not have a very red design. Okay, so I'll just. All right. So let's say this one. It used to be 10,000 naira. 30% discount is now 77,000 naira. Okay. All right. So let's say this is the price. Let's say this one used to be 20,000 naira. As a result of the 30% discount, it is now 13k. All right, so you want to indicate that. Okay, also you want to do that here. All right, Let me just delete this, duplicate and bring it down. All right. Sorry. Duplicate this and fix it for this. Okay. All right. So let's say we have this now. Then I can group all of these, all of them together. All right. So first, I'm not seeing the ungroup item, the ungroup icon. Sorry. Where are thou? Okay. I'm just. Ungroup. So the reason why I like ungrouping, first, movement will be easy, and then you don't start mistouching what you are not expected to touch. Okay, so order now. Then maybe you want to add a link where they can order from, or your phone number, or the phone number where they can order from. So let me just do that. All right. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, let's say this is the number they can order from. You want to do that? Okay. I don't think this is sitting the way it's supposed to. All right. Okay. All right, let's say we have something like this. So I'm going to group them. Then reduce the size part. Alright, so now once you have something like this, you can then go ahead and add social media handles. Come here and search for Facebook to give you Facebook icon. Okay, you can then use. Alright, let me use this. Okay, change the text. The color of Facebook is blue, so most times you want to use blue, or we can decide to use this color since this is what is dominant in our design. So we can add Facebook, add text. All right, okay, let me just add Instagram. Okay, use the same text, the same color, sorry. Facebook, Instagram. All right, let's say the name on both handles is the same name, so we can just link it up together like that. So add text. Amy underscore shop. Okay, also use the same color and bring it down. Okay, so we have something like this. Select this and then group the three of them together, then reduce the size. Okay, you can just find a place and place it around here. Okay, so let's say we have something like this. This is quite easy and simple and also presentable. So let's say we want to change the background. You can decide to play around the background. For me, what we have there is quite okay, but let's just say you want to change the background. You can just come here and pick anyone. Okay, this color will not go well. Okay, this color will not go well at all. Okay, let's look for another background color. Okay, let's say we have something like this, but this image is not, it's supposed to be a PNG file. Okay, let's just say we have what we want, but let me remove the logo completely. Okay, so let's say here we have it. Say bring it a bit smaller. Alright, okay, order now should always be big because that's the call to action. As simple as this, you have a simple product design that you can use on different social media platforms to market anything you want to. Okay, so move to the next lesson.